Hi class, welcome to week 2. This is Instructor Barrow. I'm making a video tutorial for you all because last quarter I had quite a few students who struggled with posting things correctly, like journal entries and essays. And you all have an essay coming up next week. It's your first essay in this class. It's a narrative essay. So I want to go ahead and create this tutorial to help everyone be able to correctly submit all assignments, so you will not have to go through things like getting a zero on an assignment simply because you submitted it in a format that I'm unable to grade. So here's how you do it. This is our classroom. This is the announcement board. You will want to click on Learning Module, and then you go into whichever module we are in for the week. So last week we had Module 1, and you all had a journal entry due. So I'm going to click on Module 1. And I also want you to see that at the beginning of every module, there's something in blue. Here it says Module 1, Introduction to the Essay. If you click on the blue link for each module, it will bring you to that particular reading material for that module. Every module has this. The blue link at the top of the module, that is the reading material for the week. If you do not read the reading material for the week, it might make completing the assignment or the journal entry or the discussion board that much more difficult because you're not familiar with the material for that week. So make sure you read the material. So last week you all had a journal entry. To submit that journal entry, all you had to do was click on 1-3 journal number 1 entry. And then at the top, you click Create Journal Entry. For a journal entry, it is perfectly fine to write the journal entry directly into this box here. Once you finish writing the journal entry, if you do it directly into this box, what I suggest is clicking on the little icon that has a check mark and the letters ABC. And here's why. When you click on it right here, it highlights misspelled words. And when you right click on it, it gives you suggestions of how to change that word. See there? It's kind of like a little built-in spell check feature. Another option is to write it in another word processing program and then cut and paste it directly into this box. You can do this for a journal entry. It is perfectly fine to do this for a journal entry. However, for an essay, you will not want to write the information or cut and paste the information directly into this box. Doing so will cause your essay to be posted in an ungradable format, and I will not be able to grade it. And you will receive a 0 as a placeholder until you resubmit the assignment in a way that I can grade it. Now, let me show you how to do this if it were an essay. So let's go to Learning Module. Next week, you have a narrative essay rough draft due. It's your first milestone. So I'm going to click on Module 3. And notice how Module 3 is already open. So if you want to go in there and begin perusing it and whatnot, you can do that. So here's the assignment, 3-3. 3-3 Final Project Milestone 1 First Draft Narrative Essay. It's a mouthful. So you click on this and it leads you to where you're supposed to submit the assignment. Now, you do not want to click Write Submission. If you click Write Submission, that little box pops up, and if you cut and paste the information in the little box or you write the information in the little box, I cannot grade it. So don't click Write Submission for an essay. Remember, it's okay for a journal entry. Instead, what you want to click on is Browse My Computer. Once you browse my computer, you can pull up the file See how it attaches here? And I'm not really going to submit this, but you pull up the file, here it is attached, and then you click submit. That is how you submit an essay. Okay, so hopefully you all will find this very helpful. I do want you to understand that when I submitted this essay, notice how it ends in .docx. You can only submit an assignment like this in .doc, .docx, or .pdf. If you submit it in any other format, I still cannot pull it up. Even if you do attach it as a file, I still cannot pull it up in the Crocodoc grading system. So .rtf, it's a lot of them. What is it? .gdoc, the letter G doc. I can't pull that up either. I can only pull up doc, docx, and pdf. And so I will be creating another tutorial video to show you ways around this, because I know everyone does not have Microsoft Word. It's very expensive. Okay, so look forward to that tutorial next. See you guys.